What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I'm just going to do a real quick video showcasing some of the different options available for the 99 to 04 Nissan Pathfinder side marker housings. I've done about 8 headlight builds for this particular model Pathfinder, and on the recent ones I started to include these side markers. And I just happen to have 2 of them in the shop right now, one as a chromed out version, full amber delete, and the other as a full premium edition blacked out version. So this has the gloss black painted interior, gloss black painted sides, as well as the ultra premium service of removing the gray butyl sealant from around the perimeter. So all of these housings come from the aftermarket manufacturers with a gray sealant in there. If you look really closely, you can see the gray sealant. On the chromed out versions, it certainly isn't an issue, and if you leave it on the blacked out version, it's not really a big deal either, unless you are super particular, at which point no harm no foul. It can be removed. It's just an extremely labor intensive and therefore expensive process, but it is a service that I offer. So this is about as expensive and as wonderful and beautiful as a side marker assembly for this classic Nissan as you can get, and this is just a really nice clean modern take, removing out that amber lens on the inside and that amber lens that goes right on there. So you can do a switchback bulb in here. This is the 7443 bulb, and I stock switchback LED bulbs, amber only ones, white only ones. I stock all of the LED bulbs that you could possibly want for your Pathfinder. No worries. I don't really expect to be selling just side marker housings. That seems a little silly. However, just be aware that if you are interested in a Pathfinder headlight build from me, side marker options are definitely going to complement that build. That's all I wanted to say about this. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. See you.